In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tickets in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your Zendesk account. Once you're all signed in, you'll find yourself on your ticket dashboard. Here, you want to locate and open the specific ticket that you'd like to merge into another one. This part is pretty straightforward. Just click on the ticket to get all the details. Now that you have your ticket open, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the ticket interface. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is your options menu. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option that says Merge into another ticket. This will direct you to the next step in the merging process. Next, you'll need to choose the target ticket that you want to merge your current ticket into. If you happen to know the exact ticket ID of the ticket you want to merge with, you can simply enter it into the designated field that appears after you select the merge option. Another way to find the ticket is by looking at the suggestions listed below this field. You might recognize one of the tickets, so feel free to choose the one that fits your needs. Once you've selected the desired ticket, it's important to look out for a warning message that usually pops up. This warning will typically inform you about data sharing and the implications of merging tickets, especially if they involve different requesters. It's crucial that you read this carefully. If everything checks out and you're ready to proceed, go ahead and click the blue button that says Continue Merge. You're now almost there. The next page will provide you with a final verification overview of the merge details you've just set up. Take a moment to review everything on this final page to ensure that all the information is correct. If everything looks good, you can confidently click on the button that says Confirm and Merge. This will finalize the merging process. And there you have it. Merging tickets in Zendesk is a simple process if you follow these steps closely. Remember, merging helps keep your ticket system organized and ensures that no critical information slips through the cracks. If you have any further questions or need clarification on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found this information useful. Thank you for watching.